Origin. Bugatti, France. Mercedes, Germany. Lamborghini, Italy. Ford, America. Bentley,
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this session. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Okay. I hope you guys have done with your dinner. Okay. So many of the participants are still joining it. So we are going to wait for a few more minutes. So till then, what we can do? Can you? Okay. So many participants are joining still. Give me a while. Okay. Till then, what we can do? Uh, Can you just introduce yourselves, guys? Like what you're actually doing right now, like what you're currently pursuing right now. Just your name and your like recent qualification, what you're doing right now. Guys, can you introduce yourself?
Sure, sir.
Yes. Please go ahead.
Sir, my name is Chandana Chinmay Umesh. I am from ATME College of Engineering. I am currently studying in 5th SEM Cybersecurity, sir.
Okay, in the stream of cybersecurity.
Yeah, sir, Cybersecurity.
Okay. Hey Darshan, I hope you have I guess you have attended the morning session, right?
Yes, sir. So Oh, same thing, sir. Or
Yes, we are going to discuss the same topics over here.
oh, okay, okay, sir.
If you want, you can stay, else it's upon you.
So it's okay, sir. I'll be leaving now. I thought that it will be different. Morning and evening will be different session.
No, no, these both are the same sessions.
Oh, so those who can't attend morning, they'll attend evening. So like,
Okay, no worries. You can just do one thing, just try to discuss this regarding this thing with the map, and then you can proceed accordingly.
okay, sir. No, sir. No, sir. I was just asking. Two session, the same session is. Those who can't attend our morning session, they will attend. For that purpose, you are keeping the two sessions.
Okay. So if you want, you can join the evening session as well.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Sorry, Chinmay. Okay. You was introducing yourself. Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. So you are currently pursuing fifth sem, right?
Yes, sir.
In the stream of cybersecurity. Okay,
Yes, sir.
specialization in cybersecurity.
Mm.
Okay, cool. Thanks for your introduction.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Next, anybody wants to introduce themselves?
Hi, sir. Omkar here. I'm a BBA graduated guy, and I'm working as a data analyst in Otis Global Services. I'm
Mm-hmm.
very new to this cyber security. My expectation is to, I should learn from the basics.
Yes. So, sir, I can assure you that we are going to learn from basics to advanced level.
Yes,
We are going to start from basics level, yeah, and then we are going till the advanced level modules, topics.
thank you.
Okay, my pleasure. Okay, okay. So many of the participants has been joined. So okay, still joining. Cool. 17 participants has been joined. 18. Okay, still they are joining.
So can I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, you can. You can, Jit.
My name is Z Jain, and I've completed my second POC, and I'm in degree Bachelor of Science in Game Development.
Mm-hmm.
I'm currently in the first sem, and I pursued cybersecurity in ethical hacking. And
Okay.
actually, I want to be a game developer,
Mm-hmm.
launch my own game.
Okay, cool. Thanks for sharing, Jit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, apart of it, anybody wants to introduce themselves? Okay, cool. So right now the time is 9:05 p.m. Okay, so without wasting any time, we are going. Okay, right. So as today is your first session, right? Okay. Okay. So can anyone confirm me whether am I audible or not so that we can proceed ahead?
Yes, sir,
Yes, you're
you're
You are
audible.
audible.
audible, sir.
Okay, okay, cool. Thanks for the confirmation, guys. So I would like to welcome all of you to the world of cybersecurity because in this course, this course is going to consist around 4 months of duration. Okay, so just give me a moment. Okay, so this course is going to cover 4 months of duration. Okay, this is the course structure. Structure. Okay. So let me zoom a bit. Okay. So this course is going to we are going to cover this course within 4 months. So first 2 months, we are going to learn theory part as well as practical part. Okay, fully practical part. And And remaining 2 months, we are going to do the labs, hacking labs that we can call it as. Okay. So once you have completed 4 months, after the 4 months, you can appear for the CEH examination. Okay. Okay. So you can appear for the CEH examination. Okay. So, okay. So by proceeding ahead, so my name is Amit Raj Karmakar, and just give me a moment, guys, and made all. Okay. Okay. Scroll. Okay. So my name is Amit Raj Karmakar, and I will be your instructor for this entire course duration. If you want, you can connect with me via LinkedIn. Okay. So if you have any doubts or any queries regarding anything, it can be cybersecurity, it can be hacking, it can be coding, it can be development, it can be testing, right? You can connect with me on the LinkedIn. Okay, so my LinkedIn profile, you can search my name in the Google, right? Amit Raj Karmakar. And after searching my name, you are going to find my LinkedIn account over here. Okay, so if you want, you can connect with me on the LinkedIn. Okay, so by moving ahead, okay, so I'm going to give you a short brief about myself. Okay, so as I am a cybersecurity trainer and I have like trained more than 10,000 plus students from all over the India, and I have trained more than 6,000 plus faculties from all over the India itself. Okay, so when it comes to my certification, if you just go through my LinkedIn profile, I have done all the certifications from the Indian companies and as well as foreign companies as well. It can be private, it can be government. I have done Cisco, Cisco, CCNA, CEH. Okay, so Ministry of Telecommunication. Okay,
Okay.
okay. I have done the certifications from the uh, VI, Reliance. I hope you guys have heard this company names earlier, right? So I have done the certifications from these reputed companies. Okay. So by moving ahead, so before starting this session, there are some few points, important points that you should be noted down. So first thing, you have to create a notebook because in this entire duration of course, we are going to learn many things, right? If you are not going to create a new notebook, then no worries, you can note it down somewhere in your notepad or anything, right? Okay. And book layout, I'm going to show you a book layout. So you have, if you're creating a notebook, then you can use this book layout. And then moving ahead, attendance policy, there is an attendance policy that everyone should like everyone should go through it. Okay. So fourth is self-study. You have to do self-study on your regular basis because if you wanted to do a job, if you wanted to like uh, on high package, then in that scenario, your skills should be higher level, right? So in this, so that what you have to be regular in this entire course duration, okay? And you have to upgrade your skills. Okay, so this is the book layout. Okay, I hope you have seen this device in your intermediate, right? The intermediate like practicals notebooks, right? So topic in the day-to-day basis, we are going to like learn the topics. Example, today we have learned the malware topic. Okay, so topic name will be malware. So today's date is 1/8 2024 example or 1/8 2025 example. Okay, aim. What is the aim? Like what we are going to do in this entire duration of course. Okay, what we are going to learn today in this session. Okay, about you have to write a short brief about the aim, like what is meant by malware, what are the types of malware about section, and if there is if there is having some differences, like what is meant by virus, what is the difference between virus and worms, what is the difference between DOS attack and DDoS attack, right? You can just create a table accordingly. And then coming ahead, preventions, or we can call it as precautions. Okay, so if you are like applying for any of the interview, then in that scenario, they are going to ask the questions related to the real life example. Example, if I wanted to give you an example, as an interviewer, I am going to ask you guys, like, assume that my company has like faced virus attack. In that scenario, how you are going to stop the virus attack, right? How you are going to prevent the virus attack, right? So if you're creating this type of table, it will be easy for you to revise the things. Okay. Next thing, websites, tools, and softwares used. Example, I'm going to show you how to create the virus. Okay. How to execute the virus. And as well as I'm going to teach you how to stop the virus as well. Okay, in that scenario, if you are creating or if you are stopping the virus, so in that scenario we are going to use some websites, or we are going to use some tools, or we are going to use some softwares. Okay, in that scenario you can note it down over here. Okay, so what are the tools we have learned today, what are the websites that we have seen today, what are the softwares we have learned today. Okay, you can note it down over here, right? This is a short book layout. If you want, you can create it. Okay, so is it clear, guys? So that we can go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as today is your first day, so I'm going to like cover all the basics things which is required in the field of cybersecurity. Okay, so from tomorrow we are going to start the practical. Okay, from tomorrow we are going to install the softwares, tools, and all the things that is required in the field of cybersecurity. Okay, right. So this was the book layout and attendance policy. Attendance is crucial for your success. Like you have to be regular. If you are missing any session, then you're going to miss some important topics. Because in the everyday we are going to learn the theoretical part as well as practical part, right? I hope you all have like you have like while having a conversation in the call with the ma'am or sir while enrolling, they have told you that 70% to 80% is going to cover the practical part, right? Are you all agreeing with me? They have told this thing, right, in the call, right?
Yes, sir.
If you are going to if you are going to enroll, you are going to get the practical things, right? Same thing. So if you are missing any session, then in that scenario you are missing the topic, important topic. And one more thing, this presentation has been created as per the basis of the interviewer questions. Okay, all the important topics that they are going to ask in the interview related to that we have created the presentation. Okay, so kindly don't do this thing. Just give me a moment, guys. Okay. Just give me a moment. Cool. Okay. I hope my presentation is visible. Can you guys confirm the same?
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Okay. Cool. Cool. Next, moving ahead. Okay. So, demo LMS credentials. Like, I hope you all have received a mail from the Clini Launch, right? So, in the mail, you got the credentials like login ID and password, right?
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So,
Okay. Am I audible, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Now you are
Yes, sir.
audible.
Yes, yes. Thanks for your patience, guys. I was like facing some internet issue. Okay, cool. So now by moving ahead, okay, so demo LMS credentials. I hope you all have received a mail from the Cranny launch, right? In the mail, you have received the login credentials, right? In the mail, you have received a link of the LMS portal, right? What does the LMS stands for? Can anyone?
Learning management system.
Yes, right. In the LMS, you can see the day-to-day basis recordings. You can find day basis recordings and the content. If you have any doubts, is there like a chat section in the LMS portal? Okay, so you can log in
Sir, your voice is breaking.
right now.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
hello.
Yes, your
Yes, am I
voice is
audible right
breaking.
now?
Yes, yes,
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Am I audible right now?
yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay. So today we are going to learn the basic cybersecurity basics. Okay. So how many of you guys have heard this term earlier? Hacking. How many of you guys heard this term earlier? Hacking. What is meant by hacking?
Hacking a particular system to get the access to the information and other necessary credentials for a good purpose or like bad intent.
Good purpose and bad intent. Okay, cool. Thanks for sharing, Jeet. Okay. So apart of it, anybody wants to add on something? Like
Man
what is
in middle. So
man
from
in middle?
sender and the receiver, there will be a
Hmm.
person who can uh, just get the data.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Thanks for sharing, Damotranji. Okay. So apart of it, anybody wants to add on something? What is meant by hacking?
Stealing the information.
Stealing the information. Okay. Thanks for sharing, Shirisha ji. Apart of it, anybody wants to add on something?
sir, ethical hacking and unethical hacking in a legal way and illegal.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Legal way and unethical way.
Legal. Yeah, sir.
Cool. Apart of it, anybody wants to add on something? Cool.
Sir, hacking is the process of finding and exploiting weakness in a computer system.
Yes, right. So okay. So see, this is the same definition. Okay. So hacking refers to the practice of exploiting weakness. So work for what the hackers they are going to do first, if they wanted to hack something, anything, it can be anything. If the hacker wants to hack anything, it can be apps, it can be games, it can be website, it can be software, it can be network, right? It can be server, right? If they wants to hack anything, first, what they are going to do, they are going to find some weaknesses, right? If they got the weaknesses, then what they are going to do, they are going to try to take the advantage of it, right? Getting my point? If I wanted to give you a real life example, so as we are humans, right? We will definitely have some weaknesses inside us, right? Are you all are agreeing with me? We are going to have some weaknesses, right? How many of you guys have the weaknesses inside them? Don't tell me that, sir, I don't have any weaknesses inside me. Because as we are humans, like, so we will definitely have some weaknesses inside us, right? So if our weaknesses can get to know by our friends, right, in the scenario, what our friends can do, they can try to take the advantage of it, right? Are you all are
They
agreeing with
can.
me?
Yep.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right? Same thing. So what the hackers they are going to do, first thing they are going to find some weaknesses. It can be in the computer system, it can be in the networks, it can be in the mobile phones, it can be in the laptops, anything. They wants to hack the CCTV cameras, they are going to find the weaknesses. Once they got the weaknesses, then only they can try to take the advantage of it. Or we can call it as to gain the unauthorized access or control. Once they got the access, right? Once they have took the advantage, then it will be their control, right? It will be in their control. So hackers can do anything. So without any weaknesses, hackers can't hack anything. Got it? First, what the hackers are going to do, they are going to find the weaknesses. If any weaknesses is there, then only they can hack the things. If there is no weaknesses, then they can't hack it. Right? Can we proceed ahead? Got the
So,
definition? What is meant by hacking?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Simple thing. Okay. So we have learned about hacking, right? So by moving ahead, we have some types of hackers as well. First thing, what we have learned, what is meant by hacking. Now we are going to learn about types of hackers. Okay, how many types of hackers do we have? Anyone?
Three types.
White hat hackers.
Three.
Black hat, grey hat, and ethical hacking.
Right,
I
white
might
hat,
there are
White hat.
black
red
hat,
hat, red hat.
gray hat, red hat,
Great.
Yes, sir.
red hat.
Phishing attack.
Sorry,
Phishing
Sir,
attack.
phishing.
Uh,
No, unfortunately, it's not a type of hacker. Okay, so usually we have these type of hackers. Okay, first thing, we will take black hat hacker. Okay, because it is a good example. Can explain. Black hat hacker, white hat hacker, and third is gray hat hacker. We have a red hat hacker as well, but usually we have three types of hackers, that is black hat, white hat, and gray hat hacker. Okay, so first thing, black hat hacker. So we can take an example. Okay, how many of you guys have seen the AK-47? AK-47 gun. How many of you guys seen the AK-47 gun?
yes, sir. Game.
Seen
Yeah,
AK-47.
Yes, I saw.
This is the AK-47 gun, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
cool.
sir.
Okay, that's great to hear that. Okay, so let's take an example, real life example. We have a AK-47 gun. Okay, I have hand over this gun to the terrorist. Okay, terrorist. Okay, so if I am hand overing this gun to the terrorist, what they are going to do?
Misuse.
Anyone? Yes,
Misuse.
misuse. Okay, next, a part of it. A part of it. Right. First thing, right? They are going to misuse, right? Second, white hat hacker. Okay, white hat hacker. If I am just handing the same gun to the military purpose, military guys, MI, military guys. So what they are going to do with this gun?
Safety.
Protect.
They are going to secure, or we can
Secure.
call it as protect, right?
Yes.
Using this gun. Okay. Okay. So what if I hand over this gun to the agency? Like, have you seen FBI, RAW, IB? Have you heard this term earlier?
Yes, sir.
IB,
Yes, yes.
Intelligence Bureau,
Yes.
RAW,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we are going to see this thing. First thing, black hat hacker, right? We have hand over this gun to the terrorist, right? First thing, they are going to misuse this thing, right? And what intent they have, good intent or bad intent?
Bad
Bad
intent.
intent, sir.
Okay, cool. Bad intent. Bad intent. And when it comes to the military guys,
Good
Good
intent.
Good
intent.
intention.
good, good intent. Congratulations, you guys are learning new things. Okay, okay. What about the gray hat hackers?
Personal, sir.
Okay, what?
Depends. Personal
Depends.
No,
depends
it's a
upon.
good intent only.
Good intent only, sir. But see, if you want it, sometimes they don't follow the orders, to
Yes,
be
sir.
frank,
Person.
right? It's depend on the situation. We can call it as it's depend on the situation. Depends on the
Maybe
situation.
revenge.
But most of the time, they have good intent. I will tell you, good intent. Okay, sir, as sir told, good intent only. Okay, cool. Okay, but I'm going to tell you the difference. What is the difference between black hat hacker, white hat hacker, and gray hat hacker? What this black hat hacker guys they do, first thing, they hack the organization without permission. Okay. Second thing, they have malicious intent. Cool. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me. Okay, right. Okay. So white hat hacker, okay, black hat hacker, they hack the organization without permission. First point. Second point, they have malicious intent. When it comes to the white hat hacker, what they do, they hack and secure the organization with the after we can write it as after taking the approval. Okay. Second point, what intent they have?
I will report the finding.
Yes, like yes, how they have first thing they test, like they hack the things, and after they are going to report and they are going to secure the organization, right? It will comes under this point only. Okay. Second thing, they have good intent. Okay. When it comes to the gray hat hacker, it is the combination of both the types of hackers. Combination of both the types of hackers. Combination. Okay. Combination of both the types of hackers. So in this, we have seen example one as IB agency, right? Agency IB raw. Second example. Example two. Now. Okay. Now, what example two? Just assume that I have taught you guys how to hack the Wi-Fi password. Okay, what I have done, I have teached you, I have taught you like how to hack the Wi-Fi password. Then what you have done, you have went to your home, okay, went to your home, and then what you have done, you have tested your skills, tested your skills on the neighbor's Wi-Fi. Okay, right? Okay. In this scenario, can anyone tell me what is the like scenario in this, right? Can anyone? What is the scenario in this? Like I have taught you how to hack the Wi-Fi. What you have done, you have went to your home and you have tested your skills, right? On your neighbor's Wi-Fi. You have tried to hack your neighbor's Wi-Fi. So why it comes under gray hat hacker? Can anyone let me know this thing? Can anyone?
So
So it's
experiencing the
like we are
learnings.
hacking, but we are not stealing any data, sir. So
Hmm.
it comes under gray hat hacking.
Okay, cool. Apart of it, anybody wants to add on
Yeah,
something?
We are
we want
not
to implement
misusing.
and check.
Yes. Okay. We are not misusing. And one more thing, sir.
We are implementing to check our learnings.
Yes. Okay. First thing, what we are doing, first thing, we are we are testing our skills, right? We are
Yes.
Yes.
testing of our skills and we have the okay, we have the curiosity. Okay, so we have the curiosity like how we want to test the skills. We have to like we have to test the skills. We have to test the neighbor's Wi-Fi or like security strength, right? So we are doing this thing. Okay, so what is our intent? Can anyone let me know? What is our intent? Is it good or bad?
Good.
Bad.
Right?
Good.
Good or
Good,
bad?
bad. Both.
Why? Why? How you?
Uh,
Why?
Sir, bad.
because
Hmm.
just we are checking our skills, and
Hmm.
even we can share them that there is some
Hmm.
backdoor
Hmm.
or loopholes are there to enter
Yes.
the Wi-Fi
Yes.
router.
Yes. Cool.
And other side, without permission, we are entering into their access. So that is a
Yes.
bad intent.
Yes. So, yes, it's a absolutely right answer. First thing. Second thing, we are testing our neighbor's Wi-Fi without the approval, right? Without the approval, we are testing our neighbor's Wi-Fi. Okay. Next thing. But what we are doing, we are just testing the like strength, right? So we are good thing is we are testing our skills. We have a good intent. Okay. Curiosity. I will add over here. We have good intent. Okay. And what is the bad thing? We are testing our neighbor's Wi-Fi without the approval. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, but if we got the loophole, like if we are able to hack the Wi-Fi, then in that scenario, we can, in that scenario, we can notify to our neighbors, right? That your
Yes.
password is weak, kindly secure your try kindly try to implement a new password which should be strong and which should be complex so that hackers can't able to hack your Wi-Fi, right? So this is the thing, right? So that it will comes under gray hat app. And one more thing I wanted to like make a note, like I wanted to give you a reminder. So if you have seen, I am explaining you in the point wise, right? So hacking the organization without permission, they have a malicious intent, right? So why I'm explaining you in the point wise. So while you are applying for any of the interview, right? If any of the interviewer asks the questions, you have to first thing, you have to explain, okay? You have to explain theoretically, explain theoretically, and as well as you have to give an example theoretically, and you have to explain them in the example, using the example. Okay, you have to do this thing. Explain theoretical, it means that you have to explain it in the point wise. Okay, and you have to give me an example. Okay, while answering the questions while during the interview. Okay, so have you guys understood what is meant by black hat hacker and white hat hacker and gray hat hacker?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have a question for you guys. Okay, are you guys are ready to answer the question?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Yes,
Yes.
that is the excitement. Okay, cool. Okay, so assume that I am the hacker. Okay, what I have done, I have hacked the MLS account, MLA politician account. After hacking, I have I have got his amount, right? I have hacked his amount, and after hacking, what I have done, I have just transferred this amount to all over the India's users account. So which type of hacker it will comes under?
Black hat,
Black
sir.
hat. Black.
Black
Black
hat.
hat, sir.
And one more thing, I forget to mention the amount that I am transferring. Okay, the amount
Gray
that
hat.
I am transferring to the Indian users, they are poor, very much poor. In that scenario, which
Yeah,
type
gray
of
hat.
hacker they will comes
Black.
under?
Black hat, sir. Black hat.
Black.
Black hat, sir.
Black.
Black hat, okay.
No,
Apart
sir,
of it,
gray hat.
gray hat, okay, cool.
Yeah.
The gray hat.
Gray hat. Okay, okay. So just give me a moment. Okay. So how okay. You have emoji section, right? Okay.
Yes.
You have
Yes.
an emoji section, right? So React, you can click on the React and you can raise your hand, right? So how many of you guys are like agreeing with it comes under Black Hat Hacker? Kindly raise your hands. But देख लो maybe. Let me see the brilliant students. Okay, cool. Balaji, Jayesh, okay. Okay. 4 members. Okay. Okay. Now you can raise down your hands. How many of you guys you think like it will comes under White Hat Hacker? White Hat Hacker? 2. Okay. Okay. How many of you guys thinks it will comes under Gray Hat Hacker? Gray Hat Hacker. 3, 4, 4, 4. Oh, oh, cool, cool, cool. Why? Why it will comes under Gray Hat Hacker? Can you explain me?
Because the intention is not to keep money with me, even though
Hmm.
if I am taking the money from others
Hmm.
account, I am
Hmm.
distributing to the poor.
Yes.
So the intention is taking from the place where there is money and giving to the poor people. That's
Yes. Right? So it's a absolutely right answer. So it will comes under Gray Hat Hacker, right? Because the hacker
Sir,
intention was good, but along with it, he has done the
excuse me, sir.
yes, sir, yes, sir,
Sir, but in this case, he has used the what is data in like misuse the data, no, sir. And he has
yes,
looted the amount and he has given to. Even though his intention is good, but
hmm,
the thing he has done, it comes under
hmm,
black hat, right? We can't consider
yes,
it in gray hat.
yes,
According
yes,
to just only with intention, we can't consider hacking, no, sir.
yes. So
It's
that Chiran, okay, Chiranit, okay, if I'm not pronouncing wrong, okay. So, so see what we have thought like in the Gray Hat Hacker, it is the combination of both the types of hackers. Okay, both the types of hacker, it means that black hat hacker, it is a combination of black hat hacker plus white hat hacker. Okay, so you only mentioned that in your now you are answering the question, right? You were having some doubt. So you only mentioned that, sir, he has like unethically he has hacked the MLS account, right? Which will comes under black hat hacker, right? Because sorry, yes, black hat hacker, right? Because without permission he has hacked the MLS account, right? And white hat hacker, it means that he has transferred the amount with the poor people, right? Getting my point?
yeah, sir. I'm getting it. But
Okay.
we consider hacker classification on
Hmm.
the things he has done, not on the intentions he is doing. No, like if he has done something in the what you say without permission, an
Hmm.
illegal thing that comes
Hmm.
under
Hmm.
black hat.
Hmm.
If with permission he has act in, then it comes under white hat.
Hmm.
If he has not taken permission, but he has hacked into an account, but where he has not what we say misused any data or the data is not taken away, it
Hmm.
comes under gray hat hacking. No,
Yes.
like
So in that, yes, sir. In this scenario, he has not took the data. He has just took the amount. Like amount, it means that the banking amount. Like MLA was having the black money among with him. He has just transferred the black money to his account, and this, then he just shared the black money to the users, like poor peoples. He has not copied any data from the MLA. He has just transferred the black money to his account, and once he got the black money to his account, in his account, he just transferred this money to the poor people account. So in this
okay, sir.
scenario, yes, in this scenario, he has not hacked any data. This is the thing, sir. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
so can we move ahead?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Okay. So next topic, okay, before going to the topic, let me show you the definition of cyber security. Okay, this is the definition of hacking. Okay, so by moving ahead, okay, good. बहुत जल्दी टाइम जा रहा है. Okay, so we usually have three types of hackers. Like we have many types of hackers, but this is the main types of hackers we have that we have discussed right now: black hat hacker, white hat hacker, and gray hat hacker. Okay, so when it comes to the definition, like what is meant by black hat hacker? Black hat hackers are individual. They can be individually or they can be in the groups who break into the systems or networks, right, or in servers, right, with having some malicious intent, right, or for personal gain without the authorization. Okay, this is the definition of black hat hacker. When it comes to the white hat hacker is a cybersecurity professional who ethically, it means that who having the permission to test and to secure the organization computer systems networks to identify and fix the vulnerability before the hacker hacks. Okay, their goal is to protect organizations from malicious attack and improve overall the security. Okay. So now please let me know, guys, if you are like joining in the companies. Okay. So if you are joining in the companies, what type of
White. White, sir.
hacking with the
Right.
organization?
White hat. White hat
Yes.
hackers.
Right. Right. So if you're working with the organizations, you will come, you guys are, you are going, sorry, you guys are going to comes under white hat hacker. Okay, gray hat hacker. A gray hat hacker is someone who explores and identify the security vulnerabilities, right? So example, we have took the Wi-Fi hacking, right? So what we were doing, we was just identifying the vulnerabilities, but without permission, we was testing our neighbor's Wi-Fi, right? But does not use them for malicious purpose. We was just testing our skills, right? While testing our neighbor's Wi-Fi, right? They often report the issues to the organization or public operating in a morally ambiguous areas. Okay, example, if we have successfully hacked our neighbor Wi-Fi, then we can tell to our neighbor, right? So your password is weak, so that we can able to hack your Wi-Fi password. So kindly secure it, right? So this will comes under gray hat hacker, right? Now moving ahead, CIA triad. Have you guys heard this thing earlier?
Yes,
CIA
sir.
triad.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the main important topic known as CIA triad. What does the CIA triad stands for?
Confidentiality.
Confidentiality, integrity,
Availability.
Cool. Availability. Okay. Just okay. Integrity, confidentiality, and availability. Typing error. Okay. Cool. Okay. What is mean by confidentiality? What is mean by confidentiality?
Keep it secret.
So,
Are you sure?
no. Uh,
Assume
so
that right
it's
now, assume that right now your interview is going on. As an interviewer, I'm asking you guys, like, what is mean by confidentiality?
actually it's making sure whether the authorized person can only able to access the data.
Yes. Confidentiality, it means that absolutely it's a right answer. In the confidentiality, what we see, the only authorized persons should able to use the data, right? When it comes to the integrity, what is meant by integrity?
The integrity
Sender
refers
and the
to
receiver
protecting
should be.
information from modified unauthorized parties, like requirements that information.
Hmm. Right. So in short, can we tell this thing like the data should not be should not be altered, or we can tell us the data
Modified.
should not be modified. should not be modified while traveling in the network. Okay, let's take an example, real life example. If I'm sharing 10 rupees to Rohit, then he should receive 10 rupees only. The amount should not be below than 10 rupees, or the amount should not be above than 10 rupees, right? So this is the
Yes.
meaning of integrity. The data should not be altered or data should not be modified. What is meant by availability?
And the user wants to use the data
Yes,
should be available. So
yes. So we can tell this thing,
DOS
the
attack.
Keeping
author,
data accessible when needed.
yes, the authorized person should able to access the data 24 by 7, right? Are you all are agreeing with me?
Yes, sir.
If he is
Yes.
the authorized person user, then he should able to access the data 24 by 7. If I wanted to give you an example, example,
Cloud.
example, I have a bank account in SBI. So if I want to withdraw the amount, withdraw the amount at night 2 p.m., then I should able to withdraw my amount. Right?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Any doubts still here? Okay. Now you guys tell me like what we have learned in the today's session. What are the things that we have learned so far right now? First thing
Hacking,
we have learned.
hacking,
Yes, cool.
types of hacking,
Types of hacking,
CIA triad.
CIA
CIA.
triad.
Types of
Okay.
hacker.
Types of hackers done.
Okay.
Anything else? Cool. Right. So we have done till here. Okay. Okay. Next, now what we are going to do, we have more some time. We have some time left. Okay. So cool. Just give me a moment. Okay. So, okay, control Z. We can do one thing. We can discuss the job roles. Okay. So I will let you know the job roles. If you're a fresher, then what are the types of job roles we have? Okay, we have forgotten one thing. What is the importance of cyber security? Why we require the cyber security? I have forgotten to explain you this topic. Okay. Why do we require cyber security?
Secure the data.
Like
Yes.
protecting our systems or networks, sir.
Okay. But you're missing one point. To secure the data from whom?
Unauthorized.
From
Right.
unauthorized users.
Unethical hackers.
Yes, you have to mention this clearly because you are like, it is the definition, right? You have to be clear point wise, right? We have to secure the data from unauthorized users, or it can be from the hackers, right? Okay, we have to secure our organizations and all these things, right? So now by seeing okay, so if I wanted to show you like there is a presentation that I was created, importance of security, protects sensitive data, right, prevents from financial losses, maintains trust, my bad, legal and regulatory compliance and national security, right? Do you know what is the power of cyber security? Power of cyber security. Do you know, guys, what is the power of cyber security? We usually call cyber security is the godfather of all the domains. I will let you know, like why I'm mentioning this thing. I will let you know in a while. Okay, so I will let you know in a while. Okay, what is the power of cyber security? See, assume that there is a company. What is the company? I have typed it over here.
Wipro.
Wipro, right? Okay. So now let me do one thing. This is the Google browser, right? So Chrome browser, right? So I'm just searching Wipro company established year. Okay. At what year this company has been got established?
2019.
1945, right? Right now
Yeah.
we are in the year of 2025, right? How many years has they have completed till now? 80 years.
80 years.
8 years.
80 years, right? So they have completed 80 years. So how much the time they have taken to build the trust of the users? To build the trust, how many years they have took? To build the trust, they have taken 80 years, right? To build the trust. So assume that a hacker has hacked their all the servers, right? In that scenario, what the challenges they are going to face? Can anyone let me
They
know?
lost their trust. 8 years, whatever they have.
Yes. 80 years of trust they have built like the trust 80 years, right? So within a fraction of a minute, or we can call it as within fraction of seconds, like they have hacked, they have clicked, or they have any user has clicked the link, they got hacked or systems got hacked, right? Within fraction of minutes or fraction of seconds, they have like lost 80 years of trust. 80 years of hard work they have lost within fraction of minutes or fraction of seconds. And one more thing I wanted to like tell you guys, okay? So if you are qualifying the CH exam, then after qualifying, I am going to show you some hacking tools that we use in our day-to-day basis. Example, Flipper Zero, right? I'm going to show you live. Okay, Flipper Zero, and I'm going to show you a chipset where within within 10 seconds. How many seconds?
10 seconds.
10th.
Within 10 seconds, what this chipset does, within 10 seconds, it can hack the whole company without getting detected. Do you know how much this chipset will cost around? Any guesses? Just guess this thing. How much the chipset was cost around? Like within 10 seconds, if this is hacking the server or if it's hacking the whole company, in that scenario, how much this chipset will cost around? Any guesses? Random guess. You can guess it.
Probably
500 to 1000 rupees.
500 to
1000.
1000 rupees. Okay. A part of it.
$100.
under 5K or under 10K.
Okay, cool. Do you know, like sir has told, it's the absolutely right answer. Below 500 rupees. I'm not telling about the dollars. Below below 500 rupees, you can hack the whole company. You can hack the whole company data. Got it? I will show you these tools as well live. Okay. And one more thing, if they have added all the security features. Example, EXAMPL, example, firewalls, if they have implemented the firewalls, all the things like WAF and all the things, right? So still we can hack it. Within how many seconds? 10
10
seconds.
seconds.
10 second.
This
Sir,
is
but
the
what
power.
if they have done
Yes.
some changes in the control panel?
See, first thing in the servers, right? Our all the data is stored inside. Can anyone please let me know where our data will get stored?
Cloud,
Servers.
sir.
Cloud, or we can in the cloud also
Cloud.
our data is stored
Hard
in
disk,
at last it is going to stored inside the
hard disk,
servers, or we
storage
can,
device,
Data
right,
any
warehouse.
storage
storage
device, it
device.
can be servers, it can be hard
Yeah.
drive, or it can be anything, right? So but do you know which operating systems runs inside the servers? Anybody are working in the corporates right now in the field of cyber security or networking or anything?
We use Red Hat
Yes.
and any server
Yes.
OS.
Okay. So Red Hat, sir, do you okay. So can you tell me like a Red Hat? Okay, you have mentioned the Red Hat operating system. So which type of operating system it will comes under?
Sir, they are
Linux or
targeting
Linux.
Black Hat attackers.
yes. So
Unix
it will
system.
comes yes. It will comes under Linux system. So inside this Linux system, we don't have the like control panel and all those things. In the Windows, we have the control panel. In the Linux, we don't have the control panel. Okay. So in the servers, they usually many of the companies, many of the operating system, in this course we are going to learn how to hack the websites, how to test the websites, how to how to create the virus, worms, many things you are going to learn, many things. It will be value for worth it. Okay, but one thing I want from your end, guys, so you should be first thing, you should be regular, and second thing, while performing the practical, please try to perform the practical along with me, because if you are doing the practical along with me, then it will be your revision session as well. You are going to revise these things along with me. You are going to learn these things. If you are getting issues, you are facing any issues, then I will be helping you in the class itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, from tomorrow we are going to downloading all the software tools that is required in the field of cyber security. Okay, we are going to use some other softwares, like example Burp Suite. I hope you have heard this software name
Nmap.
Burp Suite. Yes, we have going to learn all these things: Nmap, Burp Suite, and
Metasploit,
Yes, Metasploit. Okay,
Wireshark.
Wireshark.
Wireshark. Yes, we are going to learn this thing. I will assure you that a part of it you are going to learn many things.
Sir,
At
these are
last, you are
comes
going to
with Kali Linux, sir.
sir.
These are comes with an Kali Linux.
Yes, yes, yes. These all are pre-built installed in the Kali Linux. But when it comes to the Burp Suite professional version, if you are installing this software, then it's going to ask you the license key. It is the paid version. But I will let you know, as we are the cybersecurity professionals, we can hack anything or we can use anything. So I'm going to show you some loopholes where you can crack the Burp Suite Professional. You can get the Burp Suite Professional one. You can use the Burp Suite Professional software. Okay, and when it comes to the Nmap, Metasploit, these are all the open source one. These are already pre-built, install the Wireshark. Okay, sorry, inside the Kali Linux operating system. So tomorrow I'm going to show you, we are going to discuss about VirtualBox. We are going to install Kali Linux. We are going to install Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 with these operating system inside the virtual machines. Okay, don't worry, we are going to learn many things. I will make sure, I will assure you that. Okay,
Okay.
tomorrow, just remind me, tomorrow we are going to learn tomorrow, first thing, job roles. Okay, what are the job roles that we have in the field of cyber security? You have to remind me. Okay, so
Okay.
job roles, and tomorrow after the job roles, we are going to proceeding with the software's installation. Okay, and one more thing, just give me a while. So I have, okay, just give me a while. So let me, right now I'm going to share you the link. कौन सा था वो? Let me stop sharing the screen and I will reshare my screen right now. Show all features. Okay. Right now, I am sharing you a link. Just what you have to do, you have to try, you just try to download these softwares before coming to the tomorrow session, before joining the tomorrow session.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
today's task is you all, if you're having the Wi-Fi in your homes, just keep this in the downloading. Okay, just okay. I will show you this thing as well right now. See, I'm just pasting in the chat section. Just try to copy it, okay, or just try to click it. So it's going to open this type of thing. So, okay, is my screen is visible right now?
So it is
Yes, sir.
posted in groups.
Sorry. Okay,
So
it's
It
one
is
more thing.
already
already
posted in the
posted in
groups, right?
group. Yeah.
Right. Cool. Cool. No
So one
worries.
more thing. Like,
So,
why is it
yes.
like 44 MB?
Sir, 44 MB. It's a cybersecurity documents like PDF,
Okay.
so that it's showing 44 MB,
Okay.
right? So PDF is around some MB, so it's showing 44 MB. Okay. So when you try to download the cybersecurity softwares, just try to tomorrow before joining the session, just try to download these two files. Okay. Download these two files. Click on the three dots I'm showing you right now. So if you are new in this portal, so please have a look over here. Like after clicking on this link, right? After clicking on this link, you are going to get the same interface in your phones or in your systems. Okay, you have to click on this. Okay, click on the three icons and you can click on the download. Okay, before joining to the tomorrow session, try to download this thing because tomorrow we are going to install these softwares and to I'm going to show you the procedure of these softwares. I forgot to mention you guys. So total we have 40 modules. Yeah. Okay. Am I audible right now?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So total, how many modules we have? Total we have 40 modules, right? Within 2 months, like 2 months will be, as I have mentioned, 2 months we are going to cover the theory and practical part, right? So this is the thing, right? 2 months we are going to cover the theory and practical part. So in within these 2 months, okay, within these 2 months we are going to cover 40 modules. So how many modules we are going to complete in a 1 month duration?
40 modules.
20
In
models.
1 month duration,
20,
20
models.
20.
20 modules.
20 module. And second month duration, 20 modules. Total how many modules we are covering? 40
40.
modules.
40.
Okay. So this is the thing. So please be try to be regular in this day-to-day session, in daily sessions. Okay. So today we have learned these things. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to proceed with the job roles and software installation.
So
Okay.
in this, the 40 modules, networking also included, right?
Yes. Everything is included. Don't worry about it. So if you okay, so if I wanted to give a short glimpse, so say learn. Watch the movies, right? In the movies, if you have watched the hackers, right? If the police are tracing them to
Sir, your audio is
uh,
not visible.
Not audible.
from
Voice is breaking, sir.
sorry. Okay, my bad. So am I audible right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Hello.
Am I audible
Yes.
right now?
Okay, cool. Okay, so I hope you have seen in the movies. So if a police officer is tracing a hacker, right? If a police officer is tracing a hacker, then hacker is changing his IP address. Have you seen this thing in the movie?
Yes, sir.
Like the IP address was showing in the Netherlands, and
Sir.
within 3 seconds it was showing in the UK, and within 3 seconds it's showing in the Canada. Anything, right? So we are going to see this thing. We are going to change our IP address and all these things. Okay, we're going to the bug bounty, we are going to test all the malware and all the practical detection, all this stuff. Okay, the difference, right? So there will be some differences, like what is the difference between virus and worm? If you're creating the table, then it will be easy for you to revise these things before going to the interview. Okay, and if it's possible, please try to attend the offline session, because it will be very much is going to helping you. Okay,
Okay,
so am I audible right now? Cool. Just
sir.
try to
Actually,
attend the offline. Yes,
we
yes,
can continue online session, and if we have a chance, we can come on weekend to attend the offline session.
yes. And one more thing I forgot to mention over here. Uh, I got a good point. See, if, we have a sessions from Monday to Friday. Okay.
Yes.
So Monday to Friday, we are going to cover theory part and the practical part. Okay. And when it comes to the Saturday, in the Saturday, what we are going to do, you guys are having the doubt clearing session. Okay, doubt clearing session, and as well as you will having a MCQ quiz exam, MCQ quiz based exam, which will having 15 to 20 questions, 15 to 20 questions. These questions are going to created on the basis of what you have learned from Monday to Friday. ओके, सो आप जो मंडे से फ्राइडे आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है उसके बेसिस पे ही एग्जाम होने वाला है. Okay, the things you have learned from Monday to Friday, on basis on that you are going to have the MCQ on Saturday. Okay, every participant has to like give the MCQ quiz. Okay, it is going to cover only 15 to 20 MCQ. Okay, which will roughly take around 10 to 15 minutes, or max to max 20 minutes. One MCQ, 1 minute, it's enough, or 30 minutes. Okay, and in the Saturday, you are having 1 hour session. Like 1 hour session, it means that doubt clearing session will be 30 hours, 30 minutes, and MC. And from Monday to Friday, you are having 1 hour session, right? Which is 9 to 10. Yeah, okay. Till here, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts regarding anything? कोई डाउट्स हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो. If you have any doubts, ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మీరు అడగొచ్చు.
No doubt, sir.
Sirisha, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. No worries. Okay. Okay, how was the session, guys? Like
Good,
today
sir.
it was it
Very
was
good.
okay. So today it was the completely theoretical part, but from today tomorrow we are going to start the practical one.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, can we hack the person who has hacked the system?
Yes, you can. You
Is it
can.
possible?
Yes, it is possible. It's absolutely possible.
Reverse hacking, right?
Okay, sir.
Sorry,
Reverse hacking.
reverse engineering, that we call it as reverse engineering. Hema ji, see, it's for all of you guys. So I want to mention one thing. See, if you wanted to secure something, then we should be like one step ahead from the hackers, right? Because we have to test a network, we have to test all the systems, servers of our company, right? So to secure this thing, before securing, before hacking, you have to be one step ahead from the hackers. You have to think like a hacker, right? Have you heard this quote? If you have to secure something, you have to think like a hacker. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A video, like what is the power of cyber security, what is the power of hacking. Okay, I'm going to show you and I'm going to explain you all these things. Okay, but you should have some patience. Okay, because we are going to learn everything A to Z from scratch to pro level. Okay, because CEH is the professional level certificate. Okay. Okay, so there is one participants like 11113129 something. Okay. Hi sir, a part of the cybersecurity tools, do we need to learn any other dependencies like Python coding language? Okay, Linux, etc. Yes. First thing you have to learn the Linux programming language, like Linux thing. You have to learn the bash scripts if you want. It does like if you learning the programming languages, if you're learning the programming languages, then you are going to get the higher package. If you're not learning the programming languages, then no worries. We have some fields which are not related to the programming, but it's related to the cyber security itself. Example, SOC. Evening session offline. Mohammed, evening session offline, you have to contact with the ma'am. I hope you all have joined the WhatsApp group, right? In the WhatsApp group, there is a ma'am. She's an admin, right? So you can contact to the ma'am. You can have a discussion with the ma'am. If you are comfortable in the afternoon session, even sorry, evening session, then please try to discuss with the ma'am. So if ma'am is okay with it, then we will proceed accordingly. Okay, cool. 113129. Cool. I am from telecommunication, telecom background, 4G, 5G. Okay, cool. So I have also done the certifications from the Ministry of Telecommunications. So if you wanted to see my certification, you can go through my LinkedIn profile. Okay. So I have recently done the telecommunication 1, 2 levels thing. Okay. So this is the thing. So if first thing I wanted to mention, first thing you should have the curiosity to learn as much as you can, and you have to do the research work from your end. Please try to don't depend on me. Okay, don't depend on not only me. Don't depend on anyone. Just try to learn as much as you can. Okay, because the as much as skills you are learning, the package is going to getting higher. Okay, cool. Okay. So apart of it, any doubts regarding anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So cool. Then, and one more thing I wanted to mention, the session has been got recorded and till tomorrow evening, okay, till tomorrow evening or till tomorrow night, the recording going to uploaded in your LMS portal. Okay, we need some time to upload this recording. So till tomorrow evening or till tomorrow night, the recording will be uploaded. Okay, so let me stop my